Here we are at Auto World of Conway, previewing yet another amazing Chevelle Super Sport. This numbers matching 68, well, is what dreams of when I was a kid. This is the car that I always wanted. So we're proud to offer that here at Auto World of Conway. We'll take a moment and go right through so you can see exactly what this car has to offer. Unusual white with red interior. Either you love it or you hate it, but guess what? I absolutely love it. This car very well equipped and fully documented from day one. Protecto Plate, original sales literature from the date of sale. And the last owner has had it for just over a year and found that he just didn't use it as much as he thought that he would, which is quite normal for what we see here. A lot of cars we've owned once or twice, even 3 times. Go here under the bonnet. Boy, that was graceful. So you'll see power steering, power disc brakes. This 396 has actually been rebuilt. Board is now a 402. But again, it is the numbers matching block and heads. Now the last owner has upgraded to this Edelbrock high-rise intake. 4-barrel carburetor. The original intake is included. You'll see that in just a moment in the trunk. He also upgraded these long tube headers with 3-inch exhaust, excuse me. And boy, does it sound nice. We'll do that in just a moment also. He had the windows tinted and also installed this roll bar. It's a bolt-in, so you can remove that if you choose. And thus, we just left it in. Somebody might like that, or we can remove it if you like. This interior presents as very fresh, recently new. Little spot, that's just staining bleed through. I think that would actually clean off. Absolutely beautiful car. Red string pinstripe accents the interior well. 12-bolt rear end. The iconic 68 taillights. And that window tint is easily removable. And if you choose, we can do that for you. Or you might like the way that it looks. Nice and straight. does the tachometer. Ice cold air conditioning. Oh yes. AM FM radio. Why would you want to listen to the radio when you have an engine like this? Tilt wheel. Odometer showing 85,000 miles. Do this, we'll go for a ride here. How about it? Horseshoe shifter, buckets console. That steering wheel needs to be moved one spline to the right. Something we can take care of. Goes down the road nice and easy. Plenty of power. Very torquey. 325 horse motors. They're not crazy fast, but they are rather enjoyable. Nice tone, not too loud inside at cruising speeds. Thank you for joining me with this beautiful 1968 Chevrolet Chebelle Super Sport here at Auto World of Conway. We always have good cars for good people.